Welcome to a very windy Wednesday. Scrapping. So, decided I'd hop in the old truck here and run to town and see what we find. I haven't fired this thing up in probably a week and a half. Wasn't even sure if it would start, really. Haven't owned it very long. But the biggest surprise of all was it's on a full tank. I don't ever leave stuff parked on a full tank. So that's a bonus this morning. I don't have to stop and fuel up. I've got a little bit of scrap already from 2 weeks ago when I went out. Found a little bit, but hopefully we'll find a whole truckload today. Washer, dryer. We'll see what we find. So I'll bring you back when I come across something. What do you think? Should we do a microwave? Microwaves? I think so. I don't want that. Take some old Christmas decorations too. Got some wiring on them. Dancing snowman. Dancing in the wind with the Grinch, nonetheless. Well, you say that's a pretty good start to the morning, I think. See what else we can come across. Got to watch out for these trash cans and lids everywhere. It's so windy out here. Alright, well, I'll bring you back if I find something else. A little bit of wire shelving of some kind here. We'll take it. Why not? Keep it out of the landfill, right? Doesn't weigh anything, but that's okay. Something is better than absolutely nothing. Alright, let's move along here. See if we can find some more junk. Somebody's junk to put money in somebody else's pocket. No, something here. Little ice maker. Oh boy. Do I want? Nope. Don't think so. Awful lot of work there for 8 pennies. Plus it'd get all tangled up and everything. We don't want a tangly mess, right, scrap and pallet? No tangly messes. Alright, well, see what else we find. Take a little vacuum here. Dirt devil. finding a whole lot yet. Hopefully that'll turn around. That's a pretty nice little spread there. Yeah, hopefully started off pretty good, that microwave, and it kind of went downhill. Yep. So, okay, well, if I find something else, I will bring you on back. Baby gate, lots of beer bottles. Somebody really enjoys their lager in the glass. Just want to take a second. So I picked up a couple of items off camera. Well, because the camera is a piece of crap. And that's all there is to it. We bought this camera brand new, GoPro 7. Absolute piece of junk. No joke. It locks up all the time. I wouldn't say the worst camera ever because, well, the other camera we have is not that great, but it doesn't lock up like this one does. Like, I have to stop what I'm doing, take it off my friggin' forehead, pull the battery out, shake it around to get it going again. It's very discouraging to film when all you're doing is messing with a piece of freaking junk. And that's what it is. Sorry, GoPro, you suck. Maybe everybody loves you, and that's fine. The quality is great. But I don't need to send my video to my phone or anything like that. Like, I just want a nice, good working camera that doesn't freaking lock up every 15 seconds. Let's see what else we got here. Chair. Big chair. I know we're not the only one that is experiencing problems with the GoPro. So you lose footage, it doesn't record, it doesn't save it, always something goofy. You know, you always have a quarter of a video or 3/4 of a video because a lot of it's gone. It just gets old. So that's my rant, I guess. It's hard to film when you have a piece of junk on your forehead. So let's keep moving. Just park right here in the middle of the road. Why not? Man. Probably the heaviest baby gate I think I've ever found. Sheesh. Really wanted their baby not to get through the gate. Guess it was wasn't working, huh? I don't know. Is it recording? Sheesh. Oh, I think we got something. What do we got? Chair. And another chair that I'm not gonna take. Want some pizza? How about some fruit? Boots? I think I'm gonna leave the pizza. Although, I mean, free pizza. Can't really go wrong with free pizza. Unless it's in the grass. Then you probably shouldn't take the free pizza. anything else other than that dirty old chair? Well, I think that's pretty well it. Didn't find as much as I was hoping for, but we did find a few little things. Fill up the pile until we get a bigger pile, and then we'll take half of that bigger pile in. Something like that anyway. So I think what you missed was a ceiling fan. Pretty nice ceiling fan, but I mean it's scrap. And I think it's an aluminum flagpole. So until next time, appreciate you watching, subscribing, all that fun stuff that you really should be doing. Help us out. That way we can keep filming with this piece of crap. So see you next time.